Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Microsoft, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new workbook by selecting blank workbook. In the first row, label your columns, category, planned amount, actual amount. Next, input the actual amount spent or earned in the actual amount column as you track your expenses over the month. Calculate the difference for each category by entering a formula in the difference column. Use the formula, planned amount, actual amount. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all rows in the difference column. Highlight your expense categories in the category column for better visibility. Now, create a summary section at the bottom of your worksheet. In this section, sum up total planned amounts, actual amounts, and differences. You can use the formula equals sum, range, to calculate these totals. Select different colors or formatting options to compare planned versus actual spending visually. Add a chart or graph to represent your budget visually if preferred. Regularly update the actual amount column to maintain an accurate budget. Review your budget at the end of each month to see where you can improve. Adjust categories and amounts as necessary for the following month. Save your workbook with a clear, descriptive file name for easy access later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.